Some Washington lawmakers are trying to convince Medicare to cover the cost of virtual colonoscopies as a screening tool for colon cancer. It's a test many people in the medical field say could save lives. Wendy Rigby has the story, new at 5.
James Eubank is a WellMed patient who's undergoing computed tomography colonography, a test known as the virtual colonoscopy. Unlike the conventional screening where a doctor actually puts a camera in the body to peer inside, this technology uses a CT scan to build a computerized version of the inside of the colon. It's like a map radiologists use to look for potentially dangerous polyps.
The last few studies showed that if a polyp is 1 centimeter or above, the technology can detect it 9 out of 10 times, roughly.
Here's what a polyp looks like with virtual colonoscopy.
There is an outpouching of the surface of the colon.
Eubank opted for the test since an optical colonoscopy would have required him to get off his blood thinner medication.
When I found out I could do it this way, I thought, well, I should do that just because would be a good health practice.
The Centers for Medicare and Medicaid Services has decided it won't provide coverage for this type of screening. Now, 40 members of Congress have drafted a letter trying to get Medicare to reconsider. Congressman Lamar Smith is a San Antonio lawmaker who signed the plea. Right now, only about 50% of people who need screening get it. By taking some of the fear factor out of the test, advocates of the virtual method say more people would have it done.
The fact that it was less than 10 minutes made it was bearable, and I really would recommend it for somebody in my shape, understanding that you're still going to have to purge yourself, which is the tough part.
Virtual colonoscopies are also about half the price of conventional testing, which is why many radiologists believe Medicare will ultimately change its policy.
My prediction is that they will cover it eventually. I just don't know when.
The American College of Radiology and the American Cancer Society both support the use of virtual colonoscopy as an option for people who need screening for colon cancer. Reporting live, Wendy Rigby, KENS 5 Eyewitness.